Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download all your songs at once in Apple Music on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Apple Music app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are on your home page, tap the Library tab at the bottom of your screen. Here you will see all your playlist albums and songs. In Library, tap Songs. Here you will see a list of every song in your Apple Music library. This is where you can download all of them at once. At the top of the screen, look for the download icon followed with the download arrow. Tap it and Apple Music will start downloading all the songs in your library. You can also tap select all in a playlist or album and then download if the button appears there. Once you tap download, all songs will start saving to your iPhone. You can see the progress by checking the small circle icon next to each song. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi to avoid using mobile data, especially you have a large library. After the downloads are complete, all your songs are available offline. You can now listen to your entire library anywhere, even without an internet connection. And that's it. That's how you download all songs at once in Apple Music on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.